Pharmapacks was at one point the #1 seller on Amazon in the US. It started in 2010 as a single brick-and-mortar pharmacy in New York, and then it shifted all its business online by selling on marketplaces using the reseller model, where it sourced products from large CPG brands, distributors, and digitally native brands, and sold those products mainly on Amazon. The company kept growing its top line year after year, so clearly it was providing something customers needed. However, in 2022, Packable, the parent company for Pharmapacks, filed for bankruptcy, which begs the question, what happened? We looked into an SEC filing for the company while it was trying to raise money, and found that although the company was growing its revenue year after year, it was not making profits on those revenues. In fact, it was bleeding money year after year and burning through the cash raised from investors until this cash was exhausted. In 2020, for example, the company had a gross margin of 47%. However, the selling and distribution expenses alone were 50% of revenue. That doesn't even include warehousing and admin expenses. So the company was losing money on the orders it was fulfilling. In that year, the company had a net loss of $114 million on a revenue of $373 million. So clearly, the numbers weren't working for Pharmapacks. We identified 3 keys to success for any retail business. I call it the success triangle. Those 3 factors are the need, the right numbers, and the customer experience. This success triangle applies to any retail business, including selling your own private label products or selling other people's products through your store. Before you start a retail business, you first need to make sure that there is a need for the service you are providing in the particular market you intend to serve. This could be as simple as a particular geographic location that needs a store to buy certain product categories, and you are the one fulfilling this need for the residents of this area by opening the store and sourcing those products for them. For people who build their own private label brands and products, this could be the need for a specific product that is not currently fulfilled by other players in the market, and you go and build this product and sell it on the market. To identify the need and make sure there is enough demand for it, you do market research before starting the business. You can do this either on your own or through a marketing research agency. The second factor is the right numbers. As we've seen in the case of Pharmapacks, revenue was growing every year, and clearly there was a need for their services since customers kept buying. But for a business to be successful, all the numbers need to work together. Having high sales figures is not enough. Rather, all your numbers including sales, margins, costs, cash flow, inventory metrics need to work, so that at the end, you will have a profitable operation. That's why when you apply for a business loan to start a business, they ask you for a business plan that includes financial projections, typically for 3 years, because they want to see that your numbers will work over time and at the end generate profit. We explain in details how to do financial projections for a new or existing retail business in our retail budgeting and planning course. We also explain how to analyze the financial performance of a retail or e-commerce business through its financial statements and what reports to generate for further analysis in our Retail Business Performance Analysis course, so please check them out in the Academy. Getting the numbers to work involves building the right product assortment that will drive sales, pricing products correctly for healthy margins, optimizing operating costs, managing inventory efficiently, and ensuring positive cash flow. The final factor in the success triangle is the customer experience. This is the factor that will turn a one-off transaction from a customer into a reoccurring revenue, with this customer coming back regularly and buying from you over and over again, without you spending more money on acquisition. Many retail and e-commerce businesses do not make money on the first customer visit if they pay for ads or gave a special discount to acquire this customer. They rely on making money on the subsequent visits from this customer over time. Customer experience in retail and e-commerce has many different aspects, including the right product assortment and selection, availability of merchandise in the shop, a pleasurable and convenient shopping experience, and the post-purchase experience. You can measure customer experience through customer surveys and listening to customer feedback. and internally by doing mystery shopping visits to audit your shopping experience and see what the customers go through at your stores. Customer experience is the part of the success triangle that will ensure the longevity and sustainability of your business. No wonder that Amazon puts a special focus on customer experience and makes it the key part of its flywheel. Learn more about the Amazon flywheel that got the business to where it is today by watching this video next.